Hello friends, today lecture I will teach you how to remove background in Photoshop. First step to click on file the open and select picture. Second step to unlock the background layer by double clicking on background layer. Press Ctrl+ to zoom. Fourth step, select magnetic lasso tool from toolbar and start selection. To move the cursor downward, use spacebar. To close the selection, click on first circle, then press Ctrl- to zoom out, then click on selection from menu bar, click on inverse and press delete.